Hello, welcome to Nottingham Middle School. We're really excited for our first day. Before you come on your first day, we would like you to look up and find out who your 1A teacher is so you know where to go when you come in on Monday morning. What you're going to do is you're going to go to BCPS Focus, log in, go to your class schedule, and you're going to look for your room number for 1A. See that right there? You'll find your room number right there in this column, and that will be where you will go on your first morning. You tell the teachers that you're going to your 1A class and what room you're going to. We hope you have a great weekend, and we look forward to seeing you on Monday.